Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 GMC Canyon SLT. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as leather heated seats, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, spray and bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with paneling and storage and cup holder storage on the bottom, accompanied by the speakers that'll move up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, as well as your child lock, the chrome accent handle. You have these black running boards there as well, and you're going to have the power and manual adjustable leather heated seats, very comfortable. Left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have ventilation and your integrated brake controller, as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive and your lighting control. Left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control, heated steering wheel option, as well as your forward collision alert. And the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. So with the odometer, you can pretty much access your vehicle information from your tire pressure, oil life, your speedometer, distance, range, etc. You're going to have your Bluetooth connectivity, as well as your navigation and radio and other units as well. Not push to start, unfortunately. You're going to have the twist, of course, with the climate control. As well, you're going to have your heated seats on the bottom, as well as your trailer tow mode, lane departure warning, and as well as your park assist. And up top onto the infotainment system. Like I said, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as you can access your camera. I apologize, started my words. Trailer hitch, camera, as well as your climate, and of course Amazon Alexa, My GMC, and Spotify. You're just getting the classic shifter there, 2 USB ports and a 12-volt DC port down there. Extra cup holder, wireless charging pad for smaller devices, and as well as center console with lots of extra storage. Passenger side, again, same deal. It's gonna go across the door. You're gonna have the leather all dash, speakers up top, and as well as you're gonna have your OnStar services and your SOS mirror, and your reading lamps and your sunglass case holder. Oh, and a power for your sliding window, forgot to mention. We're gonna have these 17-inch alloy wheels. We're gonna have the chrome mirror caps with the sun guards and the chrome door handles as well. It's also gonna come equipped with this undercover tonneau cover from Ridgelander. Of course, you're gonna have the V6 badging, just the corner step bumpers, trailer hitch, and your 5th wheel just under, with tons of extra bed tie downs inside. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear, again, same layout. You're gonna have paneling and storage, cup holder with the speakers, comes up here to the power windows and the chrome handles. You're gonna have pretty good legroom, storage behind the passenger seat with rear USB ports and a 12-volt DC port and some storage under. It's right in the center, cup holder and armrest. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2019 GMC Canyon SLT. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as trailer tow package with integrated brake controller, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, leather heated seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.